Well, did the city of San Francisco, the zoo rather, know the walls of its big cat grotto were too short but refused to make changes because of a lack of money? That's the charge being made by the attorney for the survivors of the Christmas Day tiger attack. ABC 7's Vic Lee spoke with Mark Garrigus today, and Vic, is Garrigus saying where he got this information from?
Well, Carolyn, Dan, all Garrigus will say is that he has been, in his words, inundated with calls from people who have offered information. And this, he says, was one bit of information that was important. Incidentally, his information is similar to what a former zoo employee told us through his lawyer Monday, which we reported that he had warned the zoo about the big cat exhibit walls way before the attack. As a zoo maintenance supervisor, Lloyd Kroll says he was responsible for correcting safety violations at both the Big Cat and Bear Grottos. Kroll declined to appear on camera, but his lawyer Dan Bacon told ABC 7 News his client warned zoo officials a year ago that the walls seemed too short. He said the zoo rebuffed Kroll when he asked to bring in inspectors from the U.S. Department of Agriculture, which enforces regulations on animal enclosures.
When he mentioned that to management at the zoo, he was met with angry denials, that it was not dangerous, that there was no need for concern.
Mark Garrigus is the attorney for Paul and Kubir Dhaliwal, the brothers who survived the Christmas Day tiger attack. He told ABC 7 News by phone Kroll's allegation fits what he's heard.
It was measured, the problems were brought to the zoo's attention, and nothing was done, and lack of money was the excuse that was used.
Bacon says Kroll also believes money was the issue.
My client's well aware of several enclosures that the zoo purposely ignored because they were spending money in other things.
Richard Skolke is a former chair of the City Commission of Animal Control and Welfare. The zoo was funded partially by the city. Skolke says he and other commissioners often wondered if the zoo was spending its money wisely.
Where did that money go? They certainly didn't improve all